Hey guys, Connor Dubey here, Director of Sales and Marketing over at Active Blogs and host of the Mile High Mentors podcast. Wanted to pop in real quick and share with you a little bit some tips and tricks on how to be more successful when it comes to LinkedIn marketing in 2018. I did several of these videos last year and they seem to be fairly popular, so I wanted to get these up and rolling again compared to Digital Ideas where I'm talking a little more high-level stuff. I want to actually go in here, share my screen, and get more granular with you guys. So with that, what I'm going to cover today is actually how LinkedIn and why LinkedIn is marking your content as spam, what you can do about it, and how you can be more effective when you're posting it so that you're getting more reach, you're getting more engagement, and you're getting in front of more people. Obviously, that's what we're all trying to do here. So I'm going to share my screen with you and actually take you over to my LinkedIn profile. And you can see I have a whole lot of content going on here. Now, what's really interesting, and you may not be aware of this, I have some other videos on this, you can actually go in and see who is looking at your content. Not specifically who, but more broad information like the companies, the industries, job titles. You see this post has over 1,900 views on it. I have a lot of engagement from CEOs, marketing people, founders, and then I can even see like Microsoft, Oracle, CenturyLink, a lot of these companies that I'm targeting are checking out my content. Now, here is how you can actually see if this is showing up as spam or if it's showing up as valuable content. This is really interesting, and LinkedIn kind of really started cracking down on this stuff. But if you look at the bottom here, notice the large majority of the people that have viewed this content are from my second degree network. And so what does that mean? That means that when I'm sharing, it's getting exponential reach onto it. But that is because I use best practices when posting this. And what I mean by that is I did not use any links in this post. So that tells you guys that when you're using, what I'm trying to tell you is that when you're using links in your LinkedIn posts, LinkedIn is marking that as spam. The way that you can actually go in and check that, and there's other ways they may mark it as spam. Like I'll show you this post right here, for example. I think LinkedIn marked this as spam just because it may look a little spammy just because it's more of a screenshot of something that I had taken. And you'll notice the difference here. This post has had close to 900 views, but the large majority of that engagement has come from my first degree network, not my second degree network. And this right here tells me that LinkedIn said no. And so there's a couple workarounds to this, which I'm actually going to go show you. But notice here, this post, same thing, first degree network. And let's go see if we can find another one here. This one probably fairly similar, 1,200 views. See, we do a webinar every week, second degree network. So that one's okay. Now, what you want to do moving forward in order to satisfy LinkedIn's algorithms and all the bots that are up here kind of taking a look at your content is, let's say I have this YouTube video that I want to promote. Generally, what you could do is just go in and share the link to that YouTube video. It doesn't work anymore. Not as best practices. I'm going to get that same spam ding, and I'm not going to get as much reach and engagement that I had just shown you. The best alternative to this is actually taking a chunk, like a little cut segment from this video, and uploading it natively to LinkedIn. Whether you're doing this through mobile or you're doing it on your desktop like you're looking at right here, there's a way to upload raw video content. I would do a quick little promo clip of that. And then the weird workaround, which who knows why LinkedIn does this, but the workaround is when you go and you're actually posting that post, putting the link into the comments section and letting people know, hey, if you want to watch the full video or you want to read the full blog post, which you can upload an image for that, go check out the link, which is in the comments section. And you've seen that I've done that in this post right here. So Link to register is located in the comments. Boom. And then I just posted it right there in the comments section. Super silly, guys, but it's going to allow you to be more effective when it comes to LinkedIn. And I really hope that that helps you guys continue to grow your personal brand, your network. If you need any extra help and additional resources, tips and tricks on how to be effective, like from a high level perspective when it comes to social selling on LinkedIn, we are putting on a webinar every single week. You can come join. You can be entered to win a tropical vacation. We've given away 7 so far. That's some of the stuff that you've seen on those posts. Go to activeblogs.com/webinar and you can come check out our webinar that we're doing. Would love to see you, and go connect, follow me on LinkedIn, and I'll look forward to blabbing at you guys next time. See ya.